Welcome to Watch. Here is the market analysis brought by Macro Global Markets on June 12th. Market analysis. Due to the lower-than-expected inflation data released by the United States on Wednesday and the continuing geopolitical tensions, the spot gold market rose yesterday, reaching a maximum of $3,360.70 per ounce, and finally closed at $3,354.82 per ounce. After the opening of Asia in early trading this trading day, the market continued its bullish trend, and it is currently fluctuating within the range and currently trading at around $3,374 per ounce. Recently, the market focuses on the trade tariffs and the recent progress of negotiations between the parties to geopolitical conflicts. At the same time, the future direction of the Fed's monetary policy will also affect the market direction. Gold market. At present, the hourly chart of spot gold is in a shock stage. Judging from the short-term 15-minute chart, the gold price is in a shock stage, with a shock range of $33.57 to $33.78, which can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in operation. If the afternoon market breaks 3,378 points, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can look at $33.88 to $33.98. If the afternoon market breaks 3,357 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the lower target can look at $33.47 to $33.37. Stop losses are all $5. Forex market. Euro to US dollar. The exchange rate of euro to US dollar is in the shock stage in hours, and the 15-minute chart is in the shock stage. The 15-minute chart oscillates between 1.1478 and 1.1529, and the operating bank can sell at a high price and buy at a low price in this interval. If the market breaks 1.1529 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.1580 to 1.1620. If the afternoon market breaks 1.1478 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 1.1430 to 1.1380. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Pound sterling to US dollar. The exchange rate of pound sterling to US dollar is in the shock stage on the hourly chart and in the shock stage on the 15-minute chart, with a shock range of 1.3536 to 1.3594. If the market breaks 1.3594 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.3630 to 1.3690. If the afternoon market breaks 1.3536 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 1.3480 to 1.3430. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Australian dollar to US dollar. The exchange rate of Australian dollar to US dollar is in a shock stage in the hourly chart. The short-term 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock range is 0.6483 to 0.6511. Operationally, you can sell at a high price and buy at a low price in this range. If the market breaks 0.6511 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 0.6550 to 0.6590. If the afternoon market breaks 0.6483 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be 0.6450 to 0.6410. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. US dollar to Japanese yen. The hourly chart of US dollar to Japanese yen exchange rate is in a shock stage. The short period 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock interval is 143.71 to 144.34. If the market breaks 144.34 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 145.00 to 145.50. If the afternoon market breaks 143.71 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 143.20 to 142.80. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.20.